Right now, local businesses around you are paying $2,000 to $5,000 for websites, and most people have no idea how these deals are getting closed. In this video, I am going to show you how to find prospect clients from Google Maps, businesses with no website or outdated websites. Then I will show you how to create a professional modern website in minutes using Google Stitch AI, Gemini AI and Google AI Studio without design skills and without long development time. After that, I will break down exactly how to pitch these businesses using cold email and cold calling. So you are seen as a problem solver, not just another freelancer. This strategy is exploding right now because it works and it's helping close $2,000 to $5,000 per client. If you want to sell high ticket websites using AI, don't skip this video. Let's get started. In order to find the clients for our cleaning services or any local businesses, you can just go to Google and search for that particular service and the area name or city name. For example, in this video, we are going to create a website for cleaning services. So I searched for cleaning services in Miami. Okay, you can almost do it for any businesses or any city. Okay, and you need to scroll down and find a business who don't have a website or have an outdated website. Okay, you need to open that business website Google card. Okay, you can easily copy their address, their phone number and everything else. For example, let's check this out. Okay, this website is not working. It's from Miami Cleanings. Okay, so I have found a prospect client over here. So we just need to create a website for them and need to send them over. Okay, so you just need to find businesses like these. Okay, after finding this kind of businesses, we will use AI to create the website for them. No code needed, no technical expertise or something fancy. Okay, so we just need to go to Gemini and give it a simple prompt that give me a detailed prompt to create a cleaning business website which will have a lead contact form to collect the leads. Okay, after filling this prompt, we will just need to simply hit enter. So Gemini started writing the prompt for us. So let's wait for a few minutes. After that, we will copy that prompt and proceed ahead. Great guys, so the master prompt is ready. Let's copy this out and let's go to Google Stitch. I would like to introduce you guys with the Google Stitch, which is a new AI tool by Google on which you can simply paste your text prompts to create app or website UI designs. Okay, you don't need to go back and forth in terms of design because we will already make all the adjustments over here in the Google Stitch and then import it to Google AI Studio in order to create the best design possible. Okay, so let's select our model to Gemini 3 Pro and after that let's hit enter. I have already selected the website design option. Okay, so Google Stitch will take few minutes and create the amazing designs for us. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, it started creating the website design for us. Okay, let me tell you something brief about Google Stitch. Google Stitch is an AI platform launched by Google which helps you create amazing website designs, app designs with multiple variations, layout, fonts and contents. Okay, you will be not just limited to one design. You will have multiple variations. After that, you can simply import those designs to HTML file or you can import those designs to Google AI Studio and make it to reality. Okay, you don't need to write a single line of code. You just need to prompt these designs. Okay, so our first design prototype is ready. Okay, so it's looking amazing already guys. Okay, although we are not just limited to one design, we can create multiple variations of it. Okay, so you can simply click on more button, you can download the codes or you can then simply go to generate and you can create multiple variations of this first prototype. You can just type it. Okay, so let me type that make this design more modern and super professional. Okay, after that you will be able to select the aspects you want to vary, whether it's layout or color scheme or images or text font. You can select whatever you like. Okay, let's select all of them and let's click on generate variations. Okay, it will start generating 3 more variations for us. Okay, so we will have 3 more prototype designs ready for us. Okay, let's pan and scroll it away. Okay, so that we can see more designs getting generated. We can zoom out. Great, so 3 more designs are getting generated over here. Let's wait for a few minutes so that it can generate the amazing designs for us and we can pick any design and make it to reality. Okay, we can wipe code. After that, we can wipe code it into Google AI Studio. Great guys, so all three new designs prototypes are ready. Let's check them out. Okay, so here are they. Okay, the first one, second one, third one. So we have total 4 designs now, and you can select any of these designs to create our cleaning business website. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, let's open it in new tab so that we can have a better look. Great guys, check this out. I liked it so much. Green color designs, nice aesthetics. Okay, it has a nice form for lead collection. Okay, great guys, so it's showing the services they offer and everything else with a nice and clean layout, and of course it's made on React, so it's fast loading. Okay, so overall design is looking modern, professional, and fully branded. You can sell it to any local business, any cleaning business you like. Let's check it out on mobile devices. Okay, it's fully responsive. Let's check it out on tablets. Great guys, so overall it's fully responsive, SEO friendly, fast loading, and amazing looking website. Okay, great, so let's export this design to Google AI Studio and let's make this to reality. Okay, you can simply click on the export button. After that, just need to type the simple prompt that make this real and click on build with Google AI Studio. Okay, let's click on the button, and after that it will import all the design elements, all the design data from Google Stitch to Google AI Studio, because we are using the same ecosystem of Google. Okay, it will simply fetch the design image, okay, screenshot of it, and the codes, the necessary codes needed. After that, just simply need to click on build button and it will start creating the website for us. Let's wait for a few minutes and Google AI Studio will make this website to reality. Okay, so you can see that this design prototype can be built very easily into a real business. Okay, within few clicks you can simply import this design from Google Studio to Google AI Studio, and after that just click on build button and it will start creating it with all the necessary code files. Okay, you don't need to write anything. Even beginners can do it, and people are doing it for real and selling these kinds of website for $1,000 to $5,000. Okay, great guys, so our website has been ready. Let's check it out. Let's allow the permissions. Great, amazing, it's looking amazing guys, and we can see that this is the exact clone of our Google Stitch website design. Okay, we just need to change the images and match the layout we already had from Google AI Stitch. Otherwise the overall look is looking amazing. Okay, so let's ask it to use the relevant images from our Google Stitch design. Okay, so the idea is to copy the image addresses of our Google Stitch design and paste it here so that it can have the access to those images. Okay, after that it will simply implement those images into our code designs. So let's open our Google Stitch designs and let's copy the image addresses. Let's right click and click on copy image address. And I'm going to repeat this process for all the images and paste into our prompt. So let's fast forward this part. So I have pasted all the image addresses. Okay, after that I just need to hit enter and it will run the codes and it will change all the image URLs to our relevant images. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. Great, so it gave us the success message and I can see the images have been successfully updated. Okay, so let's open this website into a new tab. So I just need to click on share, copy the URL. Okay, I need to turn on to default to full screen in order to view this on a big window. Okay, so let's copy and paste the URL. Let's hit enter. Amazing, so here is our website. It's completely clean and professional with a nice form. Okay, a nice hero section with all the images we had on the Google Stitch design and everything else. It's looking fully modern and professional, and it's not a prototype anymore, it's a real design. You can send it to any client you want. Okay, so there is one more thing I would like to add on this website, which is the lead collection form functionality. Okay, so for now it's just a design, the forms are just a design. If we will submit it, it won't go anywhere. Okay, so in order to connect the form to our email, I will be using a free service called FormsFree. Okay, so in order to use their service, we will need to create a free account over here. I already have an account with them, so I will simply log in into my existing account. Okay, you can create a free account with them for free. So we will need to log in into FormsFree account, and we will need to click on add new. Okay, and we will need to add a new form for this particular website. Okay, so as this is for a cleaning business, I will name it something relevant like cleaning website. Okay, after that just need to click on create form, and it will give us a public URL. We can copy it and we'll need to paste this into our Google AI Studio and ask it to connect it with our lead generation forms. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I am going to type a simple command that please connect this FormsFree form to our contact form. Okay, to our contact form on the website. Okay, so let's type this prompt. Make sure to paste the FormsFree URL, and after that let's hit enter. Okay, and it will simply connect this form to our FormsFree account. Okay, and so that we can now receive all the communications, all the form submission to our email directly. Okay, great. So it gave us a success message, and we can now check the form. Okay, so let's scroll down to the contact us section. Okay, we need to fill up our form over here. Let me fill the details, and let's hit submit. Okay, great. So we got a success message that the email has been received. Let's open our Gmail account and verify it. Nice. So I have received the email. Great. Form is working correctly. Amazing, guys. Okay, so I have connected one form, and there is still one form left for the connection, which is on the top of our website. So let's connect that to FormsFree as well. Okay, let's access our website again. So this top form is still left for the connection. Okay, so let's connect it with FormsFree as well. Let's go to our Google AI Studio. Okay, we will need to just put a simple prompt that please connect the top form, which is named as instant booking, to FormsFree account as well. Okay, okay, I simply copied and pasted the name of the form, and after that I just need to hit enter, and it will take some time and connect that form as well. So it's very simple. Everything is just simply prompting. You don't need to do any kind of a technical step to create this kind of website and lead generation form, which is so easy in this era of AI. Okay, okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. We have got a success message, and the website is getting refreshed. After that we will verify that form as well, and if it goes well, then our website will be ready, and we just need to put it on a live server, and after that we can send the link to any client we like for the sale. Okay, amazing. So let's check, let's refresh the page and check the form. Okay, let's fill the form, fill our email address as well, and let's click on get final price. Great, guys. So we have got the success message for this form as well. Let's verify it in our Gmail account, and yeah, the form worked successfully. So our website is fully functional now. It's fully professional, modern, and all devices friendly. Okay, so we just need to upload it on a live server and send it to a client. So in order to push it onto live server, we will need to push all the codes to GitHub account. Okay, so let's name the repository as cleaning website. Okay, after that let's put a repository description and click on create git repo, so that it will start syncing all the codes from Google AI Studio to my GitHub repository account. Okay, great, guys. It will ask me to commit all the changes. Let's click on that button, stage and commit all the changes. Great. So all the codes have been saved into my GitHub account. We can now simply deploy that app to Netlify because I have already connected my GitHub repository with Netlify account. Those who don't know about Netlify, Netlify is a free service. Netlify offer free plans for the developers in order to test and publish the websites and app, okay, for free of cost. So they will host your website, they will host your codes, and they will provide you a public link which you can simply share to any client or customer you like. Okay, so let me log in into my GitHub account first and let's check whether my codes have been successfully saved or not. Okay, let me log in using Gmail account. Great. So I have been logged in into my GitHub account. Okay, I can see the cleaning website repository over here, and I have all the codes saved over here. Great. So I am ready to push all of these files as a website using my Netlify account. So let's log in into my Netlify account and let me push this website to a live server. Let's log in into the Netlify account. Great. So I have been logged into my Netlify account successfully. Let's click on add new project and let's import a project from GitHub which is for my cleaning website. Okay, so let's click on GitHub and it will authorize everything automatically because I have already connected both of these accounts. Let's click on cleaning website from GitHub repository and let's put a project name and it will be reflected into my URL. So let's put something relevant which is something like cleaning website. Okay, cleaning website demo. Great. So let's click on deploy and my website will start deploying onto Netlify server. Let's wait for a few minutes. Great. So the website has been live. Let's check it out. Okay, it's showing a blank screen. It means the codes are not compatible from Google AI Studio to Netlify server. Okay, so let's give a simple prompt to Google AI Studio that I just deployed the website on Netlify and the codes are not working. It's showing me a blank screen and it will fix all the codes. And right away it will fix the compatibility and the website will be live over there without any issues. Okay, so let me put the simple prompt and hit enter. Okay, I have got the success message. Let's push the updated codes to GitHub. Okay, great. So the updated codes had been pushed to GitHub. Let's refresh our website and great guys, the website has started working perfectly on Netlify. We can simply copy this URL and share it to any business we like. Okay, it means we can simply contact our prospect clients who don't have a website in cleaning niche and send them this website as a demo, and once they confirm that they like the website, we can simply update the phone number, addresses, images and all the details customized for their business and send them a fully working website for their business, and we can simply charge $2,000 to $5,000 for this kind of websites. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then make sure to like this video, make sure to comment on this and make sure to share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code website development journey all using AI. Okay, you can find lots of clients. There are multiple clients in every niche and every industry who don't have a website or poorly coded website or outdated website which is not good for SEO, not mobile optimized, had low slow loading speed. Okay, so make sure to start your client finding journey today and create this kind of website using AI and start earning. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.